we are going to discuss something which is related with the measurement or calculations. Now when we talk about calculations in chemistry, we know that chemistry deals with the atoms and molecules. And atoms and molecules are very large in number, but they have extremely small masses or weights. So we are actually here dealing with very large numbers as well as very small numbers. For example, if I talk about a molecule with 1 mole, then the value of that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Matlab it will be 6022 and continuation of the zeros. If I talk about mass of one atom of hydrogen, it could be of the order 10 power minus 24, matlab it could be 0.000 something 166. Okay, so this here is a very big number, and here mass of the atom of hydrogen is a very small number. Now if I just talk about doing the mathematical operations on it, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, applying the mathematical operation for these two numbers, is it going to be very simple? Yes. If I just ask you to multiply this number with this number, it is going to be very difficult, because a very big number with a very small number आप बहुत easily add नहीं कर पाओगे, बराबर? तो to solve this or tackle this problem, there was introduction to the concept of scientific notation, something very important, scientific notation. So scientific notation actually eases out the calculation associated with this kind of big values and the small values. Okay? A scientific notation is indicated by writing a number as n multiplied by 10 raised to a power, and this power is basically called as exponent. क्या बोलते हैं? Exponent. And this n can range from 1.00 up to some number of zeros to 9.99 and continuation. For example, if I talk about a number 528.23 or 25, okay, I have to express this in the scientific notation. So in scientific notation, what we do is we express the number as one digit and rest of the things are raised to the power of 10. मतलब this number in the scientific notation should be written as, कैसे लिखेंगे? 5.2825 into 10 raised to 2, because what we have done is we have shifted the decimal to left by 2 places. That is why the 10 का power would be raised to 2. मतलब simply this number should be written as 5.2825 into 10 raised to 2. ठीक है? अगर मेरे पास ऐसा नंबर है 0.00259, then this is a small number, so 2.59 into 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3, small number है ना. उस केस में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? This decimal is shifted to right by 3 places. So उसके लिए the scientific notation would be 2.59 into 10 power minus 3. मतलब whatever number of decimal places you shift to the left, the 10 का power would be positive. To the right, the 10 का power would be negative. बराबर? Clear है ये? So this type of numbers are handled by converting them to the scientific notation. So now if I talk about some mathematical operation on it, let's say we are talking about addition and subtraction for these type of numbers. Okay, let's take an example of 2.52 into 10 raised to 3 plus 9.52 into 10 raised to 4. Now if I am talking about adding these two numbers, can I add it directly? The answer is no, because first of all the 10 ka powers, the exponent should be same, so that I can take the exponent common and then add up the two numbers. बराबर? Though both are them in the scientific notation, but अगर add करना रहेगा तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? Either you convert this to 10 raised to 4 or this to 10 raised to 3, either ways. ठीक है, तो लेट्स से इसको 10 raised to 4 में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो how should I write this number? 25.2 into 10 raised to 4, is it? You have to convert this to 10 raised to 4, मतलब you should multiply and divide by 10. तो मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 10 raised to 4, डिवाइड बाई 10 किया तो ये हो जाएगा 0.252. मतलब नेक्स्ट स्टेप शुड बी 0.252 into 10 raised to 4 added with 9.52 into 10 raised to 4. So now next step में what I do is 0.252 will be added with 9.52 into 10 raised to 4 would be common. Clear? So finally add करेंगे तो this two 5 and 5 and just write as 2.252 plus 9.52 and multiplied by 10 raised to 4. So I can just add a 0 here. So add करेंगे तो we get 2, 7, 7 and 9. So final answer would be 9.772 into 10 raised to 4. Clear?
So in the first step, can we just take 10 raised to 3 common?
We can take it, no issues with that.
Then it will be 2.5.
This will become
94.
and final answer would be 97.72 into 10 raised to 3. एक 10 यहाँ पर डाल दो. ऐसे क्यों किया है? Because finally we should get a number which is a standard way of representing it. Standard way जब बोलता हूँ मतलब this is how you write the standard notation or scientific notation. मतलब it is always with one decimal and whatever 10 का power is there, you should raise it to the exponent. क्लियर है? ठीक है. लाइकवाइज अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्शन भी करते हैं तो सिंपल चीज क्या है? यू हैव टू टेक द एक्सपोनेंट कॉमन एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट द टू नंबर्स. ठीक है. तो एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में सेम रूल्स अप्लाई होता है.
For scientific notation, it has to be from 1 to 9.9.
1 to 9.9.
So how is it 0.25?
This was in scientific notation. This was also in scientific notation. But if I add the two numbers with the same scientific notation, it is not possible when the exponents are different. So while adding the numbers, you have to take the exponent into consideration, which should be same. So finally the answer should be in the standard notation. You will see the range here from 1.00 to 9.99. Clear? Similarly, if I talk about the multiplication and division, so here the rules are same as the rules of exponential forms. Exponents को जैसे multiply divide करते हैं वैसे ही करना है. For example, if I let's say I have the number as 2.5 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 1.25 into 10 raised to 9. ठीक है. So I am basically doing what? 2.5 into 10 raised to 3 divided 1.25 into 10 raised to 9. Now in this case, these exponents need to be subtracted, because when there is a division, the exponents would get subtracted. When there is a multiplication, the exponent get added. So this rule is clear? Yes or no? So this will become 10 raised to 3 minus 9. So I can write it as 2.5 divided by 1.25 into 10 raised to 3 minus 9, like this.
No, but that won't be the case because the bases are not same, right? So you have to cancel out the powers then.
So I am doing that only, no?
No, but 2.5 there are on both sides, on both the as a numerator and denominator only. Then can you subtract the lower?
No. Simply the digits can be divided and the exponents have to be separated out. So 2.5 divided by 1.25 directly goes. So 2 times. So this can be cancelled out as 2 and finally the answer will be 2 into 10 power minus 6. This would be the answer. ठीक है. So since in chemistry we are dealing with very large numbers for atoms, molecules with very small masses for the weights of the atom or molecule, we have to deal these numbers in the form of the scientific notation. This is something you will also be using for the physics calculations. ठीक है. तो ये पार्ट आपको फिजिक्स में भी वापस रिपीट होने वाला है. तो साइंटिफिक नोटेशन में एवरी नंबर हैज टू बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन दिस नोटेशन वेयर यू हैव अ डिजिट 1.00 to 9.99 into 10 raised to the power, and that power is called as the exponent. While addition and subtraction is being performed, the exponent should be common. In case of multiplication and division, the exponents can either be added or subtracted depending on what mathematical operation you are carrying out. Correct? समझा यहाँ? ओके